Hi everybody. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'm doing a back to school makeup tutorial. And no, I am not a makeup guru, but I know a little thing or two, when it comes to makeup. So just keep on watching and bear with me, and I think you guys are gonna like the end results. And just to let you guys know, every product that I'm using will be linked in the description box below. So don't trip if you missed out on what I was showing you guys, because I will have everything linked down. You guys probably wondering, why is she using two different setting powders? Well, the chestnut one is too dark, and I think it's Airspun, it's entirely too light for my skin complexion. So mixing the two honestly is like my perfect shade. Y'all, if y'all looking for a new mascara, y'all have to try this one out, because it is the best mascara. Oh my gosh, y'all, words cannot, like, it's the best mascara ever. And I didn't put this on while I was on camera because I poked myself in the eye, and I didn't want to do that again. So yeah. So off camera again, I put on my lip liner and my lip glosses, and yeah, this is like basically the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If so, please like this video, comment below on the next video you guys want to see me post, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so in the beginning. And thank you guys so much.